Today we will talk about nursing. Nursing means taking care of and looking after the sick man, the injured man, the young man, the old man or the helpless. With love and sympathy, it is difficult to say what point in history nursing was organized in a scientific way. Yet it is easy to understand that it must be as old man's feeling for this suffering fellow man. For only sympathy and love could move on human being to feel sorry for someone in distress, to look after him in sickness and try to do something for him to restore him to health. Islam regards nursing very important. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, visited the sick regularly, comforted them and spoke kind words to them. He would go even to inquire after these alien enemies. He urged the Muslim to help those who are sick or suffering. Nursing was not all popular in the beginning. Parents did not allow their daughters to become nurses. This can perhaps be best shown in the story of the girl who in 1851 became the founder of modern nursing and one of the greatest women in history. Her name was Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale known. Florence Nightingale was born in the town of Florence in Italy in 1820. Her parents were wealthy and cultured English people and accepted her to marry into a noble family, but she had other ideas. He did not allow to him marry to noble family. At 17, she felt that the aim of her life was to serve suffering humanity. When she was 24, she decided that she should become a nurse. Nothing is nobler than nursing, she declared. Her family was shocked to learn this. Everybody opposed her, but she would not give in. At last, after 7 years of struggle, she was allowed to go to training of the Institution of Nursing in Germany. In 1853, she was given the management of a small hospital for sick women in London. In 1854, when there was a war between England and Russia, the British government asked her to go to the Crimea to manage the military hospitals there. She played a great role in the Crimean War. The nation thankfully offered her a purse of $1,000. With this money, she founded an institution for training nurses in London. At present, there are many training institutes for nurses in our country. A large number of USA girls from good families, after being trained in these institutes, are working in hospitals, clinics and nursing homes. The heart of healthcare nursing. Scene of a hospital ward. Calm and organized nurses are seen checking vitals, administering medicine and speaking gently with patients. Every day across the world, nurses step into their roles with one purpose: they care for those in need. Nursing is the foundation of healthcare, where compassion meets skill and every action makes a difference. Visual of nurses in various settings: hospitals, clinics, schools and homes. Nursing is more than a job. Dedication and expertise. Nurses are the bridge between doctors and patients, ensuring that care is not just delivered but felt. Nurses assess patient health, provide treatment and administer medication, educate patients and families on healthcare. A day in the life of a nurse: starting their shift, washing hands, checking charts and interacting with the patient. A nurse day begins with a preparation and focus, from monitoring vital signs to assisting in surgeries to managing emergencies. Nurses are always ready to respond. Cut to nurse comforting a child, then helping an elderly. But nursing is not just about physical care, it's about emotional support, listening and being there when it matters the most. Visuals of nurses in a different roles: a pediatric nurse, an ICU nurse, a midwife and a school nurse. Nursing offers endless opportunities for growth, from practical care and pediatrics to public health and education. Nurses specialize to serve diverse needs. Behind every recovery, there's nurse dedication. Behind every smile, there is a nurse care. Nurses don't just treat condition, they touch lives and bring hope, a noble profession. Scene of a nurse walking out the hospital after a long shift, smiling in the sunsets. Nursing is more than career, it is choice to serve humanity with compassion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Voyager.